Hello everyone. I thought of making video on some architecture stuff apart from the vlogs, which you guys seem to like a lot. So I hope you like this too. Please don't mind subscribing to my channel. So today we are going to discuss about the recently completed project which is all over the internet, at least on my search preference, which is an interesting project. So I thought you should know that too. So let's get started. Yes, I'm talking about the Rajkumari
Ratnavati.
girls school. So we are going to unfold three parameters of the site: architect, client, and the most important is design. Project got honorable mention in architectural design in educational buildings. Let's talk about the site. The site is located in Jaisalmer, Rajasthan in India. Yeah, अपनी ही country है. I know. When we talk about Rajasthan, it is the hottest state in India. The architecture varies accordingly. It means that marble, sandstone, thick walls and jali structure and also courtyards in the building is the part of their architecture. This building is designed by Kellogg architects. This project will provide young girls with education and provides women to grow their skills in order to access to opportunities for independent and meaningful life. Sabyasachi Mukherjee designed uniforms specially for these girls. The entire structure is made of hand-carved sandstone in the middle of the desert and the harsh wind of desert. Can you imagine children studying in the middle of the desert where the temperature rises up to 50 degrees Celsius and they are studying there peacefully? So this is just an architectural marvel. The school is visually impressive with an oval shaped structure that blends in the desert landscape. The building also comes with elements of sustainability. The school portion known as GYAAN Center will accommodate 400 girls from kindergarten to class 10th. The complex also has textile museum and also a performance hall, as well as an exhibition space for artisans in order to sell their craft. So the architect has never traveled to India before this design proposal. So she saw how life in desert was thriving. She has never worked outside New York. She was influenced by the buildings of Rajasthan and its art and culture, even the stepwells, and that experience gave her the confidence to build this project. She looked at the surroundings and get inspired from there. And the main part is she did not incorporate any Western ideas in that design. She met the people in order to know the culture around. She kept in mind of including the community while designing for community. How come this oval shape has come into her mind? It was her initial idea which kept coming in her initial drawings. She also adds that shape also makes practical sense to reach one part from the building to another, as it reduces the distance between two sections. I think it also increases the distance between two other sections. Having courtyard is also familiar to the Indian culture, she adds. So the oval shaped worked because it symbolizes womanhood in many cultures. Seriously. She also added canopies and jalis which acts as a filter in sand. That's it for today. If you like this video, do subscribe to my channel and give it a thumbs up. We will see you in the next video then.
Listen, baby, you've got things to do, and that's alright with me. But just know that when you come back home, in the same place I will be.